These Zack D film style videos are going viral right now. He has almost 28 million subscribers, and its most popular videos have reached over 250 million views. If we see Zack D on Social Blade, we can see that its estimated minimum monthly earning is $420,000. In this video, I'm going to show how you can create videos like Zack D for free using AI. To get started, go to the description, and you will find a link to this document. Copy the prompt and head over to ChatGPT. Paste the prompt, and it will generate 10 video ideas for you. You can also ask it to generate more ideas if you'd like. For this tutorial, I'm going with idea number 9. Now, copy the first image prompt and head over to Google Flow. In Google Flow, use these settings. Paste the prompt and click Generate. It will create an image for you. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the first video prompt. Return to Google Flow, click on the image, then click Animate. Select Video, use the following settings. Paste the prompt and click Generate. Google Flow will generate the video for you. Once it's ready, open the video and move to the last frame. Click Save Frame to save it. Now, go back to ChatGPT, copy the second video prompt, go back to Google Flow and animate the picture and paste the prompt, and hit Generate and repeat the same process for all the remaining scenes. Keep saving the last frame of each video and use it as the starting point for the next scene to create a smooth transition. When all the videos are generated, download them and import them into your favorite video editor. For this tutorial, I'm using CapCut. Arrange all the clips in order, export the final video, and here's the final result.
A cavity doesn't suddenly appear. It's built one microscopic layer at a time. Inside your mouth, bacteria feed on leftover sugar and release powerful acids that slowly dissolve the protective enamel. Once the enamel is weakened, the decay spreads much faster through the softer dentin beneath it. If the decay reaches the pulp, it irritates the tooth's nerves, turning a tiny cavity into intense pain. That's why early treatment is so important.
I hope you learned something new. Do give the video a like and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.